LongCat-Video-Avatar 1.5 is a paper about making audio-driven avatar video production ready. The output has to keep the same person, move the mouth with the speech, and stay stable over long clips.
So the claim is not one clever block fixes everything. It is a system recipe.
Exactly. The paper starts from the deployment gap. Research demos can look good for a few seconds, but a usable avatar system has to survive hard cases. Full bodies, hands, singing, cartoons, animals, multiple people, and imperfect source images.
That explains why the board begins with data. If the training clips are noisy, the generator learns the noise.
Here is their data engine. Raw videos are first decoded and sampled. Offline annotation then marks faces, body composition, visual quality, camera motion, speech, language, lip synchronization, and captions.
Then, online filtering checks the actual training window, not only the whole video. That matters because one long video can contain clean segments and broken segments.
The method keeps the LongCat-1 DIT video backbone, but adds audio control in each DIT block. Text cross-attention stays in place. After it, an audio cross-attention layer injects speech cues into the visual tokens.
And the small gate before audio attention is important. It lets the model learn audio control without overriding the visual prior too abruptly.
The audio upgrade is also concrete. Version 1.5 replaces WAV2, VEC2 with Whisper Large. Whisper gives 33 hidden states from multilingual speech. The paper pools them into 5 audio channels, resamples from 50 Hz to 25 frames per second, then compresses time again to match the VAE latent sequence.
In plain terms, the speech signal is reshaped until every latent video chunk gets aligned audio evidence.
After base training, the paper uses per-frame GRPO. Instead of giving one reward to an entire video, rewards are split by temporal partitions. Local artifacts, like hand distortion or a short motion collapse, can receive local credit assignment.
Then DMD distillation makes the serving version fast. The base process is effectively 150 forward evaluations, while the accelerated model uses 8.
For multi-person conversation, they bind different speaker regions to different audio streams. Background people get a dedicated silent audio condition, so target speech does not accidentally animate every face in the image.
That is a practical detail, but it is exactly the kind of detail production systems need.
The evaluation is large enough to support the engineering story: 508 image audio pairs, 770 crowd raters, 13,240 judgments, and 10 expert reviewers.
The fast model trades a little human likeness for much better stability and rationality issue rates. That is the deployment bargain.
The takeaway is simple. LongCat-Video-Avatar 1.5 narrows the open source gap by combining curated data, a stronger audio encoder, gated audio conditioning, preference optimization, and few-step distillation.
The remaining hard problems are also clear: physical plausibility, fine-grained audio-visual harmony, and long videos without over-relying on fixed reference frames.